Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to fully automate installations of Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Fully automating the installation of Windows 11 with an Autounattend.xml file can be a real-time saver, especially for deploying multiple systems. Our video on how to generate answer files or Autounattend.xml files for Windows 11 might help you. The link is in the description below. Here's how to do it step by step. Autounattend.xml file. To fully automate installations of Windows, make sure to select and set up Install Windows using these language settings. Choose a computer name yourself, or let Windows generate a random computer name. Let Windows Setup wipe, partition and format your hard drive, more specifically, disk 0, using these settings, or use a custom disk part script to configure your disk. Use a generic product key. Let Windows Setup create the following local, offline accounts. Skip Wi-Fi configuration, and at the Express settings, disable all. If you want to proceed with fully automated installations of Windows, it's better to have only one drive connected to the PC. Ensure that the connected drive does not contain anything you need, as it will be completely formatted. Prepare installation media. Get a USB flash drive, 8 GB or higher, ready. Download the Windows ISO file from the official Microsoft website. Download the Rufus application from the official website. Create a bootable USB drive using tools like Rufus or Media Creation Tool. When creating a bootable USB drive using Rufus, make sure to create the bootable USB drive without selecting any of the customized Windows installation options in the Windows User Experience window. Keep it all unchecked. Add Autounattend.xml file. Copy and paste the Autounattend.xml file you downloaded to the root directory of the bootable USB drive. Alternatively, you can add the Autounattend.xml file to the Windows ISO file using tools like AnyBurn to use it with applications like Ventoy or install it on a virtual machine. Download AnyBurn from the official website and install it on your computer. Open AnyBurn and select Edit Image File. Then select the image file, which is the Windows ISO file. Then click on Next. Now click on Add, and choose the Autounattend.xml file, or drag and drop the Autounattend.xml file. Then click on Next and change the file name to something like Windows Autounattend. Then click on Create Now and wait for the process to finish. Then you will be able to copy and paste the Windows Autounattend ISO file to Ventoy to perform unattended installations of Windows, or use the ISO file to install Windows on a virtual machine. Windows Setup will automatically detect the Autounattend.xml file on the USB drive. The setup process will proceed unattended, applying the settings specified in the Autounattend.xml file. Once the installation is complete, the computer will restart, and Windows will be installed with the settings specified in the Autounattend.xml file. By following these steps, you can achieve a fully automated installation of Windows, making the deployment process much more efficient. Note: test the Windows ISO file before deploying to multiple machines. Test the Autounattend.xml file on a single machine or virtual machine to ensure it works as expected. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.